Welcome to Smart Showcase for Google Reviews Pro. In this video, we'll walk you through how to enable and test the Review Invite email feature. Let's start by going to the Settings tab. Here you'll see an option to turn on the Review Invite email feature. To enable it, just switch the toggle on. Then choose the widget you'd like to use for sending the invites. Once done, don't forget to save your settings. Now head over to the SEO and Notification tab. Here you can send a test email to check if everything is working. Just click on the Send Test Email button, and a test review invite will be sent. Next, open your email inbox to confirm you've received the invite. Click the Review button in the email. It will take you directly to your business profile where users can post their reviews. That's it for enabling Review Invite emails in Smart Showcase for Google Reviews Pro. In the next video, we'll explore schema generation. Be sure to check out the full documentation or reach out to support if you need any assistance.